Hello and welcome back to another video. The topic of this video is what can students do in Pakistan? If they want a roadmap, then this video is for you. If you are looking for a roadmap for students in Pakistan, on one hand they have to study, obviously they need to complete their studies, but on the other hand they can also run a small business or offer services like YouTube or offer digital downloads as a service or as a product. There are two types of products. One is a physical product and the other one is a digital product. And I'm talking about digital products. Then they can create these digital products for themselves and they can later sell them off on websites. It can be their own website. I would recommend that you create your own website on WordPress or any other platform and sell them, because then the profits would be your own and you won't be sharing them with other marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad. So the first step is to learn and understand the platform, how they work. For example, YouTube. How does YouTube work? And then you have to choose your niche. You have to select a small topic, a micro niche or a nano niche. You can easily cut the areas out that won't work for you, and you can add or work on the thing that may work for you or something that is in demand. And then you have to create high quality content around that niche. And after that you need to build your audience. You need to offer them services. You're offering them services and you need to build your audience up to a level where they trust you and they want to purchase from you and they're not reluctant to purchase from you. And then you can monetize your content. Whatever service you are offering, you have to analyze and improve. You have to see what is working for you and what is not working for you. You have to eliminate the things that are not working for you and you have to scale on the things that are working for you. This is how you scale. Whatever earning you generate or whatever profit you make, you need to reinvest it into your business. And you need to scale your business up to a level where it becomes really beneficial for you and for Pakistan as well. You also need to stay creative and keep learning. This was a general roadmap. Follow the rules of the platforms. Whatever their rules are, you have to follow them and you'll be good. So this was a general roadmap for a newcomer who is interested in selling their products or digital products online, or they want to become a YouTuber. Then this video can help you out. And I have created another course. It's a free course. It's on Thinkific. My address is Rameez Kaisar School. Go to Thinkific and search for Rameez Kaisar School and you'll find that course. You can do that course and learn more about video and YouTubing. So I'll see you in the next. Take care and have a nice day.